72-hour restriction when deleting Snapchat account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to know that you cannot actually fix this restriction. You will have to wait 72 hours before deleting or before trying to delete your Snapchat again. But what you can still do or still try is enable your VPN. If not, simply go to Snapchat support, open your Snapchat support, and then try reaching them out saying, I want to delete my account, and see their response. But do not completely rely on it. You will have to wait 72 hours before trying to delete your account again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.